How to buy LF token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money using crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. So as you can see, select the Ethereum as a network. From here, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here as you can see. So after that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just added called LF. So after you find it, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. And after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy LF token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.